Hello everyone, I'm very happy to show you my Chain Lightning endgame version today. I'm gonna start a little showcase with the Uber version. Um, so as a potion, you have two potion most likely that you can use. I'm gonna go with the Lucky Hit Chance. You can also use the maximum life one if you have problem with toughness. Usually on my sock. For the incenses, I use Chorus of War, Spiral Morning, and Sage Whisper to get the little more like extra DPS. We're gonna showcase that version that is highly versatile, like you can use it in any content. You can use it to speed farm the pits. You can use it in the hordes, you can use it for Helltide, for Nightmare Dungeon, like you can use it pretty much everywhere unless you wanna push the pits. If you wanna push the pits, I have another version of the build. This build is very popular since Diablo 2. I don't know if many people here played Diablo 2, but since Diablo 2, Chain Lightning Sock was very popular. It has very cool animation. It's a very cool build. You are just zapping every enemy teleporting through. This build is pretty strong, but if you're looking for the best build, it's still Lightning Spear and Lightning Speed by 4. So if you're looking for the strongest build, I would recommend you to look at my Lightning Speed build, which is a lot more stronger than this one. But if you want a cool Chain Lightning build, you're in the right place. In speed farming, it's like very decent. Like you might not feel the difference. But in pushing the pits, it's another story. Lightning Spear is like just too strong compared to that build. So we're gonna go over the gear, the skill tree, the skill, the enchantment, and the Paragon so you can understand a little bit better how this build play. Giving you some more explanation about the build. By the way, for the people that are wondering, many people are wondering, the lightning tattoo is a skin that you can get in the shop that is called Fractured Magic. So let's go over the gear. I'm using Endaliel Visage that synergize with the Starlight aspect. The Starlight aspect makes you gain primary resource every time you heal 20% of your life. The life on hit on Endaliel Visage synergizes very well with lightning because you get a lot of ticks, and it works even when you are max life. It gonna works and synergize with Starlight and still giving you back resources. That's why we are using Endaliel and Starlight aspects. But also Endaliel is gonna give you a lot of damage through the poison, the legendary aspects. You can see the poison proc here. Is the white number, it goes up to 100 million per tick, 160, 155, 180. And that's like very huge damage buff that synergizes with Starlight. That's why you are using Endaliel. Then we are using Tyrell's Might. Is regular chest now for the sock. Give you a lot of toughness, make you almost unkillable with the combo with Endaliel and Life on Hit. We are using Fist of Fates because we wanna proc as many poison as possible to maximize our damage. We use the new Axial Conduit Pants that's gonna make the Chain Lightning come back and orbiting around you. We're gonna use regular boots. Make sure that you have enough armor to get the cap. Yeah. We're gonna use the staff with Intelligent Max Life Venerable. You would need higher chance for Chain Lightning to double casts. Like the one I used was, I think, yeah, this one. Then on the amulets, you want to go for Intelligent Conjuration Mastery to maximize the damage. You're gonna get the cooldown to get Ice Armor and Flame Shield more often. You're gonna use Starless Sky, that's best in slot for this build, for just damage. You're also gonna use Tal Rasha. On this build, you can get the 4 stacks, which make it pretty good. And the cooldown is also very good to keep up your shields up. We're gonna go over the skill tree. We're gonna put 1 point in Firebolt, 1 point in Frostbolt. Why Frostbolt? Because on the non-mythical version, you don't have Starless Sky, so you cannot run Blizzard. But you can put 2 points in Firebolt if you like. Elemental Dominance for more damage on Chain Lightning here, Charge Ball here, because you have Unstable Current uptime always because of Orange Herald here. Orange Herald just give you perma uptime. Oh, I forgot. The aspect here is Stormswell because it's double, even triple jibbing. The damage is just insane, so we use that. So back to our skill tree, we're gonna have always 25% damage reduction because of Unstable Currents that has 100% uptime. The usual defensive kill, Flame Shield, Teleports, Glass Cannon damage. We also use Shimmering Ice Armor because we spend a lot of mana because of the actual conduit. But we also have infinite mana because of Starlights. So the Ice Armor just gonna reset very fast. Just make sure that it doesn't break, otherwise it won't reset. It has to be active for Shimmering Ice Armor to work. Then we're gonna get more lucky hit chance from Precision Magic still to synergize with Endaliel, defensive node, the regular Conjuration Mastery passive for more damage, Devouring Blaze for the crits, the crit of Chain Lightning even though Endaliel cannot crit. These two get Crackling Energy to feed your glyph, to feed the Charge Glyph in Stable Current, more Dior here, and finally more Dior here again. The skill that we are running, Ice Armor, Flame Shield, Blizzard. Blizzard, you get 3 points from Blizzard here from Ring of Starless Sky. Blizzard is just to get a Tal Rasha stack. The Tal Rasha stack here, you're gonna get another 20%. Like here you have 2. You got 4. You can get up to 4 stack because of Poison, Fire, Cold and Lightning up to 4, which is very nice. On the enchantment, we are rocking Firebolt enchants that gonna synergize with Devouring Blaze. We're also gonna use Teleport enchant so you can zoom and speed form any content very fast. We have 4 points in teleports because we're not using Shaco. We're trying to reduce the cooldown of the teleport. Also with the boots, you're gonna get evade cooldown reduction. We're gonna go over the Paragon quickly, which is the same as the Pit version. Exploit for damage. We're going Elementalist also for more damage. This one is Tactician, it's gonna give you more damage, but damage reduction to burning enemy and more damage to burning enemy that's also synergized with your Firebolt enchant here. More Dior here to not get one shot and be able to survive and heal with Endaliel. Rigid Fate, Unleash that give you more damage and a little bit more mana regeneration. Charge here, that's why we are getting Static Gestures, you get Crackling Energy and you get damage from charge. Destruction here, another glyph for more damage. And to finish, Flame Feeder for more damage that synergize with Firebolt enchant. Static Shards that's gonna help you a little bit on the mana. So that's it for the regular version. I also have a Pit pushing version when you switch out Tyrell's Might for Raiment of the Infinite. I'm gonna have a showcase on the Pit's 130 at the end. I cleared the pit 138 at the end. It took me 6 minutes and a half with a very bad boss. It was like Seeding Hive Master, which is very tanky and a bad boss, but still took 6 minutes and a half. You will probably able to clear up to 137, 138 maybe with optimized gear, because basically what I'm using here, this is my Lightning Spear sock Raymond that I just put in here randomly. You can also switch out rubies, I mean topaz for rubies if you have problem with toughness. We're gonna go over that on the mobility. I'm gonna have all the link in description. You have all the explanation here. This is the pit push version that's gonna make you very squishy. But basically you're just gonna switch out Tyrell's Might for Raymond, so you're gonna see in the showcase you can pull enemies together, kill them faster. It also give you 7 rank in glass cannon. That's gonna give you another 30% damage roughly. So this is my first version of Chain Lightning, at least for the pit pushing. I don't think I'm gonna change ever the regular version, but the pit pushing version might change. I'm actually trying to find a way to not use the Starlight aspect and put Shredding Blade instead of that. So that's gonna be 1.45 multiplicative more damage. I'm trying to solve the mana problem right here. Maybe when I get better pants, I'm gonna triple Masterwork Resource Generation and see if we can sustain our mana without Starlight. I also have a starter version of the build without any mythical unique. You can check that out. If you can find the actual conduit and some unique, you can start trying to play the build without the mythical unique and see maybe if you like the Chain Lightning build or not. So I guess that's it for today for me. I hope you like the Chain Lightning build. I'm gonna put the showcase of the pit 130 at the end. If you have any question on anything, let me know, and I will see you later. That scale crit damage? Yes and no. There is no something like splintering energy. Hive Master like pretty tanky too. He doesn't seem tanky, but this like from what I remember, On other clay and stuff, he was like super tanky. Probably one of the tankiest boss with Mother Judgment and Blood Bishop, I think. Yeah, this is life stealing with Endaliel. But this is pushing Pit's variant. There's gonna be another one with life leashing. The mana is okay, I think.